Hi, this is Mini Sajan. Welcome to Mini Talks on another session of table etiquettes. As I always say, table manners are very important. It's not very difficult. It all matters as to how much you practice. Practice good manners, that gives you a positive body language. And it's never too late. Age is not a bar. Start practicing table manners. But it's very easy to train up children as well. So, let's move on to the next session. If you are seated at a long table or a round table with place settings close to each other, and if you find water glasses and breads right and left and close to each other, have you ever got confused as to which side is your water glass? Is it right or left? Should you pick up the bread from the right or from the left? Because it's all arranged close to each other. There is a simple method to remember this. Remember this. That is, this indicates small letter B facing yourself. This indicates small letter D facing you. So B and D. So bread comes on your left and drink comes on your right. So pick up water courageously from the right side. You will never go wrong. Bread from the left side. I hope you can remember this easily. Bread and drinks. Next is how to use finger ball correctly. See, finger ball will come like this in a small ball with an underliner, and a doily paper would be there. It would be half filled with warm water, and probably you can find lemon slices or a flower floating on that. You don't have to pick and keep it outside. Leave it as such. It's all a decoration and for flavoring the water. So you have to first put all the 5 fingertips, whether right or left, whichever, but only one hand, in the water, and gently wash and bring down your hand and wipe it on the napkin. Okay, then bring the next hand, gently clean, and then bring it down. Never put both the hands together, and don't bring the napkin on top and wipe like this. That's a very wrong mannerism. It's very rude and unpolite. So napkin should remain on your lap itself. Bring your hand, do it, bring it down, wipe, and then do this, wipe like this. In between, nothing wrong in dabbing your lips. Understand? And after this, you can place it on. If you want to remove, sometimes the wait staff would come and remove it, or otherwise you can place it on the left hand side next to your bread plate. That is the right method. Don't push it to the right, not here. It's always next to the bread plate. That's an indication that you had used it. Are you confused with the kind of glasswares kept always? Different shapes and different sizes. So which glass for what purpose? Water glass will be always right above your knife. So you can remember that. That will be, even if the glass has got if it is a stem glass also, you will not go wrong if you remember this. Above your knife. The champagne glass will mostly have a tulip shape. That's for the champagne. Red wine and the white wine glass. Red wine is always blotty, big one, big fat one, and the white wine will have a small mouth. There is one more thing which you should remember. White wine, if you are having, hold it by the stem. Don't hold like this, because your temperature of the hand will alter the temperature of the wine. So keep hold by the stem. Red wine, nothing wrong in holding like this, but then this is the most convenient method. Hold like this. Practice holding by the stem. Alright. I hope I am clear. Thank you for listening to my mini talks. If you liked it, please subscribe and share. I'll be back with more of mini talks. Until then, goodbye.